Learn English through Story Part 2, Level A1, A2. The Lost Phone, Part 2, Part 9, The Next Morning. Anna wakes up early. She checks her phone. Everything is fine. She smiles. No more worries, she says. Anna makes breakfast. She eats bread, cheese, and drinks coffee. Today is Saturday. Anna decides to go to the park. She wants fresh air. She puts on a jacket and takes her phone. She leaves her apartment carefully. Part 10. In the park, the trees are green. Birds sing loudly. Children play. Anna sees her friend Lisa again. Hi, Anna. Lisa waves. Hi, Lisa. Do you want to walk? Anna asks. Sure, Lisa says. They walk slowly. They talk about school, friends, and books. Then Anna remembers something. My phone. I must be careful today, she says quietly. Lisa laughs. You are always careful, she says. Part 11. Anna and Lisa sit on a bench. Anna drinks water. Lisa eats an apple. A small dog runs near them. The dog has a red collar. Anna smiles. Hello, little dog, she says. The dog's owner comes. Sorry, he likes people, he says. Anna laughs. It's okay. He is friendly. Part 12. After an hour, Lisa leaves. Anna stays in the park a little longer. She sees a small wooden box under a tree. It looks old and dusty. Anna feels curious. She opens the box carefully. Inside, there are many little notes. Some are drawings, some are messages like be happy and smile today. Anna smiles. These are nice, she says. Part 13. Suddenly, Anna hears a voice. Hello, young lady. Did you find my box? Anna looks up. An old woman is standing nearby. Yes, I saw it under the tree, Anna says. The woman smiles. Thank you. These are special notes for people who need happiness. Anna feels warm inside. She nods. They are very nice. May I read some? The woman laughs. Of course. But please, leave the box here for others too. Anna promises. Part 14. Anna sits on the bench and reads the notes. She reads slowly. Each note has a small message. Be kind. Help a friend. Smile and the world smiles with you. Anna feels happy. She thinks about Lisa and her friends. She takes a photo of the notes with her phone. I want to remember this moment, she says. Part 15. After some time, Anna walks home. The sun is setting. The sky is orange and pink. She passes the cafe again. The man smiles at her. Good evening, Anna, he says. Good evening. Thank you for everything, Anna says. She walks home slowly. Her phone is in her pocket safely. Anna thinks life is full of small surprises. I must enjoy them. She feels calm. She opens her phone and sends a message to Lisa. Today was amazing. Lisa replies quickly, tell me everything tomorrow. Anna smiles. She enters her apartment. The lights are warm. The room is quiet. Anna sits at her table. She opens a notebook and writes, Today I learned something. Small things make life beautiful. Anna yawns. She feels happy and tired. She goes to bed. Vocabulary Part 2. Carefully, slowly, and with attention. Friendly, nice and kind. Warm, feeling good inside. Surprise, something unexpected. Moment, a short time. Questions, part 2. Where does Anna go on Saturday? Who does she meet in the park? What does Anna find under the tree? Why are the notes special? How does Anna feel at the end?